take them to kindergarten. Let's go!
Hi, baby bus.
Hi, Lulu. Get on the bus.
Where should I sit?
Fasten your seatbelt.
Thank you.
Lulu is on the bus. Move the red switch to raise the cutout. Hi, Hank. Get on the bus.
Where should I sit?
Fasten your seatbelt.
Thank you.
We have arrived at the photo studio. Teacher asked us to take a photograph and bring it to class.
Let's go take some photos.
Welcome!
We want to take an admission photo.
All right, let's go change clothes first.
Yay!
Adjust the distance and aim at the headshot frame.
It's such a beautiful photo. Thank you.
Yay!
Adjust the distance and aim at the headshot frame.
What a great photo.
Thank you. Let's go.
Hi, baby bus.
Hi, Mew Mew. Get on the bus.
Where should I sit?
Fasten your seatbelt.
Thanks.
The bus is a little dirty. Please help me wash. Welcome to the car wash. Let's clean the car. First, drag the water sprayer to rinse off the mud. Tap the button to spray the cleaning fluid. Scrub the car clean. Now rinse off the foam. The car is clean. You are like an expert.
Hi, baby bus.
Oh, Kiki, get on the bus.
Where should I sit?
Fasten your seatbelt.
Thank you.
We have arrived at the hospital.
ECG measurement. Sort them by color. Yes, this is the right place. Click the switch, which is the same color as the body. Yes, you're right. The checkup is finished. Your heartbeat is normal. Thank you. Measuring weight and height. Lulu's weight, 21 kilograms. Write the numbers on the board. Yes, you're right. Put the stamp on the number. Write the numbers on the board. Yes, you're right. Put the stamp on the number. Eyesight test. Move the magnifying glass to look for patterns. Correct. We found the pattern. Correct. We found the pattern. We found them all. You have good eyesight.
Thank you.
Hearing test. Listen, what's that sound?
Cow.
No, listen again.